ZenGo wallet versus KeepKey wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the ZenGo wallet and KeepKey wallet to help you decide which one best fits your cryptocurrency storage and management needs. The ZenGo wallet is a mobile-first software wallet designed for simplicity and accessibility without compromising security. Its standout feature is the keyless security model powered by multi-party computation, MPC, which eliminates the need for private keys. Instead, ZenGo splits cryptographic secrets between your device and its servers, significantly reducing the risk of losing access due to lost keys. ZenGo supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, provides in-app features like buying, swapping, and earning interest, and offers an intuitive interface tailored for beginners and active traders alike. It's perfect for users seeking convenience and a modern, feature-rich wallet for daily crypto activities. The KeepKey wallet, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet focused on providing secure offline storage for your digital assets. As a cold storage wallet, it keeps your private keys completely offline, making it highly resistant to hacks and online threats. KeepKey's sleek design and straightforward setup make it an appealing choice for those new to hardware wallets. It integrates seamlessly with the Shapeshift platform, allowing users to manage their portfolio and exchange cryptocurrencies directly. While its support for a smaller number of coins compared to ZenGo might be a limitation for some, KeepKey is best suited for long-term investors and those prioritizing asset security over active trading. Your choice between ZenGo and KeepKey depends on your specific needs. If you value ease of use, portability, and integrated features for active crypto management, ZenGo is an excellent pick. Conversely, if your focus is on long-term storage and maximum security through offline private key protection, KeepKey is a solid option. Both wallets are reliable in their respective categories, so your decision should align with your crypto strategy. For more details, check out the links in the description below.